Hi, and welcome to Janet's Fitness Evolution. I do have a quick word though for you. So what do we do when we are faced with someone snapping at us or mistreating us? Maybe like when you're at the grocery store behind the deli and you could tell they don't really want to help you, and then they tell you, I heard you, and you're like, oh boy. So having that full armor on, knowing that that is a possibility. So you just start praying for that person, because you never know what they're going through, right? So instead of going, oh no, you did not cut me in traffic. Oh no, you did not give me an attitude. Oh no, you did not criticize me, when we want to say that. Or, oh no, you did not eat my cookie. Okay, so I fight back like this. So I'll say, I don't focus on Satan, but I say, come on, Satan, I did not want to go there. I know I am no match for you, but I know someone who is, okay? I'm putting this leash, okay, on you, so I can symbolize you behind me and not leading me, okay? So in James 4:7, it tells us to submit to God and the enemy will flee, okay? Just coming in alignment with the word, always being prepared. So we are going, I just tell them, we are going to the secret room, with God Almighty, maker of heaven and earth. I am going to get in alignment with heaven by speaking the word. I will praise and worship God to activate heaven on earth. Okay, this is where the throne room releases guidance, blueprints, strategy, peace, strength, healing, and joy. Okay, this is where I unleash you, Satan, because you cannot enter the secret room. Okay. Oh, but you already knew that. Worship is my weapon against you. This is what I heard the Lord say to me one day. It was funny. It is just like kryptonite is to Superman. It weakens him. That's what worship is, okay? And it strengthens me, okay? So God bless you.